engagement that we have with employers is, are we doing what you want? If we aren't, please feed back to us, and if we can accommodate your needs within reason, we'll accommodate your needs. But what you're getting at the end of that 4 years is a very well-rounded, knowledge-wise and skills individual. So multi-skilling is really the future, and it's been like that really for the past 20 years. And what I'm trying to do, and the college is trying to do, is promote that within the southwest area, particularly Cornwall, where potentially things need to progress. It's also building for the future for your company. When you sign on to do an apprenticeship, whether it be mechatronics, fab weld or machining, you are guaranteed to get what you signed up for. It's very much a diversified and improved package. We can actually deliver what we say we're going to deliver.